Pickle and Peanut. No, more like Poople and Peanut. And I spelled the first three letters as P-E-E. This aired on September 2nd, 2015. There are only two main characters, so let's see their flaws. Pickle is greedy, always wanting all the fame for himself. He also thinks he's a girl. Peanut is too self-righteous. He only seems to care about himself, and there's always some sort of selfie joke in every episode, such as duck faces. The theme song is also terrible, such as some sort of 9-year-old's imaginary shopping list, and although it's only 5 episodes in, it needs to die. End of rant. After the Pickle and Peanut rant, Team Umizoomi. After the Team Umizoomi rant, Breadwinners. After that, Ubi. After that, Paw Patrol. After that, Jack's Big Music Show. After that, Bubble Guppies. And after that, Mr. Pickle.